want to stream. Uh, okay, here we go. So, um, just a little update on leaks. I'll just make sure I'm streaming. Oh, that was the wrong window. That is, yes, I appear to be. Fantastic. So, leagues, you can create a new league here. New league, and we have seasons, which don't really do anything at the minute. Um, but my idea is instead of having to create a new league every season, you can just increment this. And, that's it really. Um, I'm going to sign out and I'm going to log in as myself. So just a quick run through this. Rules and stats, you can look up your players here. So let's say I want to create an underworld team. Gobby rat people with some lore. So we're going to have lots of gobbos, some rats. Oh no. Roll. There you go. So we add some team in there. And you notice the status of the team is fresh. This means that when you fire a player, you reclaim that amount of money in your treasury. So you can essentially change your lineup without any penalties until you've played a match, and then that's gone. Hopefully, it should make it a bit more forgiving. You know, as you would if you're drafting a team. So we want Gobby Rat people in that league. So we go to the league tracker, and there is the new league. And we want to request entry to Gobby Rat people. Now, if we do not, let me create a new page for this actually, just to explain this concept as well. So if we go to our team of Gobby Rat people, there is no league. So if we click start match, we will be able to select opponents from anywhere as long as they're not in a league currently. But once we not only enter, request entry, once we are allowed entry into the league, when we start a match, whilst we're part of that league, you can only select opponents from that league. It's just like you would in real life, but I thought I'd explain it in that amount of detail. I'm going to put another team in just so they can play, so Thriller Time can go in there. And now, yeah, look, I don't have any more legible teams because all my teams are either in leagues or in this league. So now I'm going to sign out and I'm going to sign in as the moderator. And this is a moderator account. And look, we've got a new button here for Manage League, so we can increment the season. We can delete the league. Also, look, Clint. I like this guy, and he's got 2 teams in this league, so I'm going to approve him. Okay. Now there is a bug here where this is where the teams should appear, and we're going to investigate that. But firstly, all I want to do is very quickly sign out, log back in as Clint, and I want to show you the match listing. So Thriller Time is in the league. Look, there he is. He's in new league. And see, you can only play Gobby Rat people because they're in the same league. And this, playing randos who aren't in the system, you can as well. Um, I'm already in a match. Oh, okay, hang on. Start match. Oh, it thinks I'm already in a match. That's really bizarre. Your team is... Now, that is bizarre. Now, alright, so we're going to investigate this bug before the next one. Is it Orky McOrgface that's already in a match? No. Well, they're both idle. That is bizarre. Now, firstly, note how I wanted to start a match with Gobby Rat people, and now it's telling me about Orky McOrkface. That's bizarre. Maybe there is an ongoing match. Alright, so we're going to look in the logic here, in the controller, for match game, pre-game controller. So this is where the magic happens. We've got this batch helper, and then within there, you can get a team, and then you pass it here, and it looks at matches. Oh, there's a match. This means that some part in the code as an unfinished match. I'm just not sure how to resolve this. I think because in my testing I've been creating leagues, I think I've deleted a league with a match already open. So what I'm going to do, and this I think this is on my to-do as well. Yeah, so if a match was running for more than 24 hours, it'd been left open overnight, it would just close it, just end it. So I'm just going to go in the database, select from match games. Oh. So I've only got 11 games and they're all finished. Oh, hang on. Someone's stuck in post game. Oh, all right. Just correct that data for now. All right, back to where we were. So, oops, nope. Go back here. All right, so team management, view my teams. And we're looking for people in a new league, and it also says what league they're in here. Oh, that doesn't work as well. Brilliant. Be nice if you could sort those columns, like I believe you can here. Oh, none of the sorting works. Oh, it's broken all. Okay. Let me just put that on my to-do as a bug. Bugs sortable table. This was like a very early thing I did, but now it doesn't work. If I click through the time, I start the match. It's letting me do it now. So we have the match. Some people are hurt. We have touchdowns. You know, there's a completion. And finally, we end the match. And there we go. So now if we go to new league, you'll see here, there's the latest match. And there's this view as well, because that only shows the last five or 10. That'll show them all. And then when the teams are listed in the bottom, when we get this working, you see it's not actually pulling in the wins. That just should be a 1 in there. Well, it's not pulling in anything really, is it? That's probably the problem. But that is like a basic standings page as well. So we're going to have a look at this error, the original error. Just questionable. Could it be when deleting a league? Just some notes for myself. Very bizarre, very bizarre. So, I'm just going to close all to the right and start again because view controller and I'm looking for leaks. No, that's the wrong one. View controller. There we go. Teams. And we have this look. Get teams in league. Seems straightforward enough. Very bizarre. This did used to work. All right, I'm just going to try. Just try this. Let's just try turning off that. Okay, so it works, but this is so this little predefined argument up here. So standing means to sort it by the standing, but in addition, we add these extra columns. So there must be an error in here. So when matches, so we left join the matches. Sweet, well, it's all a bit of a not very pretty this code, but matches. Matches. I don't think matches is a real column name on left join. What I mean? Because I don't have plurals in my DB. Match, so match as match. Okay, no. Left join match as matches. Match. It's equal to finished. And matches home team. Team ID. I don't really like doing stuff like this, but I'm just going to query it. Just do this, and then I'm going to copy it again. All I'm going to do here just I narrow. Oh no. So I'm going to try and just hard code these additional columns in to see. Okay, so that works, but why we got no team name? That's confused me even more. Does base query select draw add additional columns, or that's what I'm thinking. Maybe when I select, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So we're adding user count, but status already. Oh, hang on. No, look, we've had to add it there. Oh, I don't like this. Okay. can I just select everything? No, probably not like that. I would not like that. Unknown column draws now. Oh, that's really weird. No, that's not weird at all because it just means I do have to add that. Oh, that's so horrible. All right. All right. So that would restore the. Oh, this ORM is actually called Eloquent, which is quite ironic now. So also my little table headers aren't working either. So because I haven't added them, that's why. Awesome. Wins, draws, losses. That's even. There we go. So go back into the team repository. Just for those that wouldn't know, a repository is generally where we put all our queries. It's how we retrieve. It's like a separation between your abstraction from the database table, which will go in the model, and the repository is how we extract results, usually via that model as well. But you know, I just like it ends up being a big. All my queries go in here. Makes it neater. So we're doing like a group. I can't remember what this means, but this is like a big group. And then we'll summarize. So this sum. So this is the sum. I can't remember what this does actually. I need to Google it. List of arguments. But there isn't a list of arguments. There's just sum. So there's just sum. Sum. I might regret this, but yeah, I regretted it. So if this returns null, it returns 0. And then we get a 0 instead of some weird. Okay. Matches. Is the join of the matches okay on? What we're going to do, we're going to simplify this logic and make it wrong. Hang on, look. This one, it's just getting any. That's just not on. No, actually, look, we got this. Let's just try. And just do the amount of matches. Okay, let's just try that. Okay, there is this logic in here, specifically these conditions. So we got finished and or like this, just to visualize it a bit more. So the match is finished. We are the home team. The home team and the home score is greater than the away score, or we are the away team. This team is the away team ID equals the team ID. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that. It was 1-0, so away home score, away score. I'm just going to look at the schema because I'm a little bit starting to doubt myself here. So I'll go into core and in here, nope, I'll go into matches even power. Home score, away score. Home score, away score. Home team ID. Team ID. Home score. Gonna try this. Right, just for sanity, we're gonna try writing this out in. Right, let's do this side by side. Okay, remove that. I'm gonna select. So what teams we got? Let's quickly get this. See what team we got. Thriller Time. So Gobby Rat People. No, Thriller Time be better. Is 2. Flip from match with home home team ID is equal to 2 or home team away team 8 rows and set. Okay, this is going to be wins. So and all right, and away score is greater than home score. Yeah, it's going to do with this logic, isn't it? Home score, away score. Home score, away score. Okay, maybe we just didn't win any, but I know Gobby Rat People have, so they're ID 5, so let's try that. Let's give that a shot. Oops. Oh. They're also not happy about it. Could it be? Could it be because they're null and not zero? Could it be? Horrendous. Home score is greater than zero, and away score is null. Ah, it's the null, right? So what I need to do really is go back into the schema. So we've got a problem here with me setting these things to, they default to null, they should default to zero. That's on. So I'm going to go into my schema, wherever it is. Docker, no. VB, thank you. Matches. Yes. Default zero. What I want to do here is make a MySQL column. Now update a column to default to zero and change any. It will know what I mean. Oh, it is just that. All right. So let's do this. First, so we're going to alter the table, match, and we're going to modify column home home score, the int not null default 0. Is it because it's already null? All right, update, match, set, home score equals 0, and away score equals 0, where, oh, I have to do it one at a time, where home score is null. Now this could be done in the query, but it's a lot of logic for, no, he just wouldn't, he just wouldn't. Back to alter table, yeah, now it'll allow me to do it. Cool. Maybe int not null. I like not be null. Int not null default 0. Cool beans. Right now. Huh. Let's check that query. I can't remember what I did in here. Do I need this? Oh, I do. Yeah. Okay. I really don't like it. I really do not like it. So there we go. Now we have, and because Thriller Time has 1 win, 4 draws, and 3 losses. However, it's looking at all of the matches. There's only one in this league, and it's so league ID. All right. So when we left join the matches, so we got join on or on where matches.league. I want the current one, like this. Why is it not happy with that? Not on the side, it's coming from there, you goon. Anyway. Oh, that's not right at all. That's the Oracle. Eloquent. Want to join on either of the two columns. Oh, actually, no. But only if in league. Yes, thank you, ChatGPT. Do this. How's that different to what I did? I did it within the join, okay. Fair enough. I knew that. Yeah, kind of like that. Oh, no. Do you know what? I'm just going to take your code. I'm going to stick it in. I'm just doing the whole bit there. Probably going to be okay, so here we go. Didn't like that as well. Matches doesn't exist. Doesn't though. Because it's match. Matches.status. Oh. Right, so they're doing all this manually. We'll just try this. And the reason we have these funny little apostrophes is because I've used a keyword to name my table, which isn't great. Home team ID. Do you know? I know you know what I'm trying to do. This is what the young ones call vibe coding. Smash things in and hope it fixes it for you. The table name is match. I know it's a reserved keyword, I know. I know, tell me about it. I might rename this table if I get too many issues, but I just don't like that at all. Right. Oh, I can assure you, sir, it does exist. Match does not exist. Match as M. Okay. Let's change what this is called then. Let's call matches. I'm not very good at sporting terms, so alternative name for matches, as in games in. I never thought of games, actually. Right, I didn't think of that. Who'd have thought games? Game. And all we do is we go into the model. Change that. Game. Rewrite previous code, but now match table is called MySQL rename table. Oh, it's just rename table. Okay, cool. Rename table. Match to game. So tables. Beautiful. Oh, we're disconnected. Are we still on? We're still on? Well, we had a bit of a disconnect there. Well, it works now. So there you go. In at the top, loss at the bottom. That was easy, was it? It's had to, and that's it. That's all for today. Did I have any interesting bugs? Well, I'll see why these are broken. So I'm going to have a look in console because that's where okay, you don't get that there. So I have a JavaScript in here, web public. Let me save what I did there actually. Fix standings bug when listing matches when viewing a league. Lovely. And if we go into sortable tables, oh, I reckon I don't put sortable table. Additions table. That's not done anything, has it? Oh, ID. Oh, I can do that. All right, so let's change this around. I'm going to call it sortable. There you go. Don't work. It's good, isn't it? I'm not even looking at the right table. But you know what? We're going to go through everything where we've put stats, which is most of the tables, like this. And as well as being stacked, we're going to call them sorts. Let's copy that. I'll just stick that in all these. I could apply this to all of the tables, but you never know. We might have a table we don't want to be sortable. No. Awesome. That still doesn't work. Sortable tables. We get in the table, and this, this works. Sortable table is only in teams. You know what? I am just going to put this in the base template. Like that. Don't know what I'm doing here. Hang on. I want to put the footer above the scripts because that doesn't make any sense, does it? There we go. That's better. Still not working though. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. JS sortable tables. Sortable table. Yeah, so it's actually there. Network. If I go into sortable tables, there is the code. Oh, why does it get? Oh, hang on. I know what I've got to do. I've got to copy the script over to the container. Right. Still not working though. Sortable table. It'll get element by ID. So maybe it's cached to a hard reset. Hey, okay, there we go. Still not working though, but at least it's getting elements by class name of sortable. And this table, do we have sortable? Yes, look, stack and sortable. So, oh, again, let's go body. Right, we've got the script. Any error messages when we click this? Come on. Oh, it did work. It's working fine, and now it's decided not to. All right, let's test it directly in the console. So let's put the code in here. So there it is. Oh, do you know what I don't have? I feel like I've deleted a click event on the headers, the table headers. That's what's happened at some point. How bizarre. That must have happened ages ago. Okay. Let's look at the history of this, because I still don't trust this. GitHub VD. Stroll. DB. No. Yep. Public. JS. Tables. If I get the history of this. Oh, okay, so it really is just. Because I copied this out somewhere else. There used to be a bigger script, and then I think I shoved it in here. Where did I remove it from? Teams. Oh well. Um, I can't remember. Uh, so what I've done, I've copied a bit, and then this isn't what it used to be at all. But there'd have to be a listener. Let's try this. Sorts. All right. Copy that back over to the container. At least something's happening now. So we add the events sort table. A second argument now in this. And a table. So what's the table? Oh, it's very different. All right, let's do the whole thing. Copy it over. Give it a hard refresh. So is that RSTUVOP? So E shouldn't be on the bottom. That's wrong. And I used to double click and it would reverse it. Must have copied this code from somewhere. Just gonna try and search it, see if I can find it anywhere. Okay. %. Copy this from somewhere. Oh, okay, was it this one? It's a bit big. Alright, let's try a different one. Let's go. Make all my twig tables with class sortable, such as this one, sortable. Maybe there was a load of JavaScript, I just can't remember any of it. I don't remember this. Alright, stick this in here. Ah, there we go. That looks better. Go to else. Lovely jubbly. There we go. Sortable. Nice. Sort. I will undo the. Oh, we didn't put sortable. Okay. Sortable tables. All right. Lovely. To do. Okay, and I'll save that. To add sortable tables. I think that'll be a wrap.